So we got the wood before, and supposed to be a quarter of the inch wood, and it's only 1/8 of an inch basically. So now with the hinges, we also got a quarter-inch screw, which you try to screw it in, and they coming through the wood because it's only 1/8 of the inch wood. Same story with the bolts, which came with the nose. They for quarter-inch wood to connect it together, and this wood is too small. Already it's pre-cut. Already we have the covers for it done. So now we have to cut the bolts to put the nose in. Basically,